challenge 8. So the goal of the challenge is to turn on an LED over the internet. So how are we doing it? So basically you have a website that is connected to the Raspberry Pi, and then the Raspberry Pi talks to the Arduino, and it's bidirectional, so it can do Arduino Raspberry Pi website. So how does it work? They publish channels. It publishes to the cloud of Ably that is on. Then the Raspberry Pi subscribes to it and see it's on, and then when you see it's on, it sends bits. It sends buffer bits to the Arduino, and then the Arduino checks it, and then if the bit sent was 1, and then 1 would correspond to being on, then it turns on. If the bit sent was 0, which corresponds to when I click on off, then it turns off, and then it is real time instantaneous. And then that website is hosted on AWS, so you can access it from anywhere, like from literally anywhere. You don't have to be on my computer. You can just be on a phone, just click on, and then it will work. So let's say you want to add another Arduino to the system, and then obviously when you add it, you want to be able to authenticate it, right? So when you add it right now, if I click on, if I click on, nothing really happens, like, because it says no authentication, so nothing happened, no authentication. So if I really want to turn this on, I need to authenticate it first. So I'm going to do it. So first I need to connect the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi, and then run the code with setup. So let me show you guys.
Yeah, getting set up.
Alright, so you can see now it's working. It's working perfectly. So it is authenticated. So now it's working. So if you click on, then it becomes on. You click on off, then it turns off. So that's pretty much the challenge. Thank you.